wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns.
You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drive slow and I'll keep talking fast. Faster than your ears can listen. Nothing out there that we're missing anyhow. I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. As long as there's love left to burn.
You're falling asleep with a smile on your face in the passenger seat, so I don't wanna wake you to ask where we're going. So I keep driving on.
I ain't sleeping, just thinking again and again how good it feels to trust the wheel in your hands. Your eyes are my compass, without even knowing the way.
I know we'll find it, 'cause with you I know there are no wrong turns. When we're together, there are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. There are no wrong turns. When we're together, we'll live in the moment like it's all we know. We got all the time in the world. There are no wrong turns.
Late night drive with the windows down. City lights blur when you're not around. Playlist stuck on the songs we played, but they don't hit the same. Your name still slips off my tongue like a habit I can't outrun. I don't know when we fell apart, but we're strangers with the same old scars. Say it's fine, say it's nothing, but we both know we're just bluffing. Holding on with shaky hands, slipping like the shifting sand. Oh, we're falling out. We just don't say it loud. Left your jacket in the backseat. Can't decide if I should leave it there. Every street feels like a past life, like I'm breathing in the same old air. Your name still slips off my tongue like a habit I can't outrun. I don't know when we fell apart, but we're strangers with the same old scars. Say it's fine, say it's nothing, but we both know we're just bluffing. Holding on with shaky hands, slipping like the ship what we've known for a while. So we dance around the silence like it'll fix what's been denied. Falling, falling, but we never make a sound. Falling, guess we both just let it drown.
So let me give you an overview of the whole pantry organization. So there's the top shelf, which I keep things that I don't need, I don't use often. So mostly that's a rice cooker, which I don't use often. And then I have an hotel there. If I need it, I'll just step on a stool to get it. And then the next shelf, I put serviettes and the paper towels for the kitchen. The other shelf on the left, there we have kitchen towels. That's where we store them instead of the drawers. And then also some things that I don't often use. That's the some stainless steel cooking pots, and that's a cooler box that I used to use before. I don't know where to store it. I think that's the best place. Then down there we have our rice and spaghetti. So this is the spaghetti. So for the opened spaghetti and rice, we store them in this container instead of leaving them open. And then we have this container over here where we store the baby's uji flour, that is porridge flour. And then on the right we have the snack section. These are oats for the baby and for anyone who wishes to take them. We have some Choco Pops, some that are not opened. I've decided not to refill the container up to the top. We will refill once these ones are over. Yeah, and then this section, let me just show you. This is a snack organizer where we have some biscuits, some crepes, some chocolate. That's where we store the snacks. Yeah, and then down there next to it we have the spices. I prefer storing the spices in the containers that I buy them with because of keeping track of the expiry date rather than storing them in different containers. So I store them in their original containers. So this side mostly is the spices. Here we have some tomato sauce, some cocoa powder, and anything else related. So here we have some peanut butter, some jam, some honey, and some Blue Band. The container is too big, I don't know how to keep it, so that's how I've stored it, just to create space. And then next to it we have some these are beef no cubes for cooking also. And let me show you the other container. We have this is where I store my Rico cubes also. These are the Rico cubes. This other container was for the green Rico cubes and the chicken masala cubes, the no cubes. Yeah, and then down next to that shelf we have the boxes of milk. That's where we store our milk. On the left we store our sugar at the far end. I don't know if you can have a sneak peek of it. And cooking oil next to it. Then at the bottom, if you remember the vegetable rack that I had over here, this one I removed the parts and improvised. Instead of buying another vegetable rack, I just improvised this, which saves me money. Vegetable racks are very expensive nowadays. What I preferred was going for around 5k, and I'm on a budget, so I had to remove this, though it's not fitting well. I hoped this one would fit here, but it hasn't, so I look for a smaller container here for onions, maybe a rectangular one for onions for that matter. But for now they're going to stay there. So I prefer to store here at the far end. We have some potatoes, some sweet potatoes, and maybe if I buy arrowroots, that's where I also store. We have some tomatoes. My fridge is where I store vegetables in my fridge is kind of full because some tomatoes I store in the fridge. I could have used this space for onions, but the fridge is kind of full in the vegetable section. And then next I have some extra oranges that remained that I've stored down here. And then on the right is the fruit section, which I store some avocados, some pawpaws, mostly for the baby. And then here I have a fruit basket that I've put some oranges and some bananas. So I'm going to change that fruit basket and place it on the countertop just to encourage people to eat fruits oftenly. And then down here now I have my onions, my ginger, garlic. Yeah, though the ginger is over. Yeah, so for now the onions will stay there, and then I'll find a rectangular container and put it over here for the onions. Yeah, so that's it for my pantry organization. It's a bit of a transformation. That's not the way I used to organize it, but I love the outcome. I hope my nanny will keep up with this. Yeah, I love it.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming
I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks.